The Selfish Gene, written by Richard Dawkins and published in 1976, is a groundbreaking work that revolutionized the way we understand evolution and the role of genes in shaping life. The book challenges conventional notions of natural selection and introduces the concept of the selfish gene, proposing that genes, rather than organisms or species, are the driving force behind the evolution of life on Earth. Dawkins presents a gene-centered view of evolution, arguing that genes are the fundamental units of natural selection. He emphasizes that genes strive to replicate themselves, and their success in doing so shapes the traits and behaviors of organisms. This perspective gives rise to the distinction between replicators, genes, and vehicles, organisms, the latter being the carriers of the genes. Genes are selected for their ability to enhance their own replication, even if this involves behaviors that seem altruistic or selfless in the context of individual organisms. One of the book's central ideas is that behaviors that appear altruistic can be explained by the concept of kin selection. Genes that promote altruistic behaviors toward close relatives can increase their own chances of being passed on, even if the immediate cost to the individual organism seems high. Dawkins also introduces the notion of memes, units of cultural information that spread through imitation. Just as genes influence biological evolution, memes influence cultural evolution, shaping human behaviors, beliefs, and traditions. In the latter part of the book, Dawkins introduces the concept of the extended phenotype, suggesting that the effects of genes extend beyond an individual organism's traits. Genes can influence the environment and interactions with other organisms, creating a broader impact on the ecosystem. While the selfish gene is often misunderstood as advocating for a purely selfish interpretation of human behavior, Dawkins emphasizes the complexity of gene-driven behaviors, including cooperation and altruism. The book challenges readers to see evolution from a gene-centered perspective, providing a fresh and compelling framework for understanding the intricate mechanisms behind the diversity of life. The selfish gene has had a profound impact on the field of biology, popularizing key concepts of evolutionary theory and sparking discussions about the nature of life, genetics, and the forces driving biological diversity. It remains a cornerstone of modern evolutionary thought and continues to inspire both scientists and the general public to explore the intricate web of life's origins and development.